Hello again. Today you'll need your learner's book, your exercise book and your pencil case. Odd numbers and even numbers. Yesterday we looked at odd numbers and even numbers. Even numbers are the second every 2. So if we count 2, we skip 1, 4, we skip 1, 6, skip 1, 8. It gives us even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. If we have 1 remaining, this gives us odd numbers. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds, which on the diagram shows us it's 6. But we can also count in 2s. If we have 2s, we have even numbers. So 2, 4, 6. This is 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2. So it's even. We can also count odd numbers in the same way. We could count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we can see that 9 is odd. But we can also count them in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, here we don't have 2 left. We have only 1. This means it is odd. So when we don't have 1, it's even. When we have 1 left over, it's odd. Let's take a look at an example. Let's count the yellow triangles in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 4 groups of 2. So this is even. Now let's try with circles. 2, 4, 6. Oh, and we have 1 left over. When we have 1, it means number is odd. Now for another example. Let's count the triangles. 2, 4. And we have 1 extra triangle. That means odd. Circles are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And so there are only 2s, which means it's even. Now let's try with these kites. Remember, count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Is this odd or even? Remember, if we don't have an extra one, it is even. Now let's take a look at these flowers. Let's count in 2s again. 2, 4. Oh, look, we've got 1 all by itself. This means, of course, it's odd. Great job. Now, let's take a look at these butterflies. 2, 4, 6. So there are an even number. And here we have some bees. 2, 4, and 1. Oh, here we go. This is odd. Now you can try these on your exercise book. You'll find them on page 66 of your learner book. When you've finished, you can watch the video to check. Are you ready to check now? Let's take a look at the first one. A. Count in twos. How many are there? So here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now let's count the shoes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And finally, the eyes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Good job. Let's try this exercise from your book. Look at the shape pictures and count the shapes. Let's start with the blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 blue circles. Now let's try the yellow triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 triangles. Let's look at the next question. Which picture shows even number and which picture shows an odd number? So let's start with the blue circles. Now here we can count in twos. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and here we have one blue circle all by itself. So the blue circles are an odd number. So the picture which shows an odd number is the one with the blue circles. Let's count the yellow triangles in pairs too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And there are no extra triangles, so the yellow triangles are an even number. That's all for today. Bye bye.